Good morning students. In this video we are going to discuss the chapter 7 of your book, that is Introduction to Algebra. This is the first video on this chapter. Okay. So let's try to understand the concept of algebra. In algebra we are using the unknown quantity. What is unknown quantity? The value we don't know. The value may be anything. So let us try to understand with the help of a picture. Suppose a basket is there. In this basket, suppose 10 more mangoes. Some mangoes are already there. And after adding 10 to this mango, it becomes 30. So how much mangoes are there? We don't know in the basket. But after adding 10 mangoes to the basket, we are getting the value of 30. So what is the unknown quantity? Let the unknown quantity be x. So what is before inside the basket, the number of mangoes, we don't know, let it be x. So if we add number 10 to the x, it becomes 30. So what is the equation? It becomes x plus 10 equal to 30. So here we see that x is an unknown quantity, and this unknown quantity is in this question the number of mangoes before adding 10. So after adding 10, what is the number? That in the question is given that 30. So we have to find out the value of x, and that is the x plus 10 equal to 30 is the equation. That is the concept of algebra. We are using the algebra here. So here x is the English alphabet. We are using the English alphabet for the unknown quantity in the algebra for solving the word problems. So here how to get the x value here? If you minus this 10, means if this 10 to be transposed to other side, then it become, we can find out the value of x, or we can cancel the value of 10. How to cancel? It is already plus 10 is there. If you minus 10 to this left hand side, it will be cancelled. So if you add minus 10 to the left hand side, also we have to add minus 10 to the right hand side also. So here 10 cancel. So what we are getting? X equal to 30 minus 10, that is 20. So here question is asking how much mangoes before adding 10, that we are getting number 20. So this is the some concept of algebra and some verbal expressions. Verbal expression means what we are talking verbal, that is called verbal expressions used in the word problem. We try to understand now. Let's see this, some of the operation. So first operation we are trying to understand, that is algebraic expression, that is plus or addition operation, which is used most commonly. So suppose an expression is there, n plus 14. How it can be expressed in the verbal expression? It can be expressed in many ways in the word problems. If you understand these verbal expressions, it is very easy to solve the word problem or the story problem that we are going to discuss. So here n plus 14 can be represented in verbal expression as 14 added to n. 14 added to n. Here n is the unknown quantity, and we can tell in n plus 14. We can also tell n plus 14. So n plus 14. Sum of n and 14. Sum of n and 14. 14 more than n, because plus can also be known in verbal expression more. The word more is used here, more. So 14 more than n. Then n increased by 14. Also the word increased is used for addition operation. So here 14, n is increased by how much? 14. n increased by 14. Let us see the subtraction expression. The next algebraic expression is the subtraction operation. Here one subtraction operation, algebraic expression showing here, that is n minus 5. For showing n minus 5, what are the verbal expression used in the word problem? Let's see. 5 subtracted to n. 5 subtracted to n. The difference of n and 5. The difference of n and 5. So here the word difference is used. Here the word subtracted is used. Here then n decreased by 5. Here n is decreased by 5. Here the word decreased is used. Next 5 less than n. Which word is used here? Less than. The word less than is used to describe the minus operation. Then n less 5. Take away from 5 from n. The word take away is used. Take away 5 from n. Okay. So this is the operation of subtraction. Now we are going to discuss the multiplication operation. Look at here, multiplication operation 12n. The operation is here 12n. So here 12 is multiplied with n. So which verbal expression used here? Let's see. 12 times n. The word times is used to describe the multiplication. Times. Next is product of 12 and n. The word product is used to describe 12 into n. Next, n multiplied by 12. So here the word multiplied is used to describe 12 into n. Next, 12 groups of n. 12 groups of n means 12 into n. The word groups is used to describe 12 into n. Let's see the division operation. So here one algebraic expression is given 4 divided by y. 4 division symbol is there, then y. Also we can write 4 by y. Okay, the by symbol is used here to describe 4 divided by y. So which algebraic or verbal expression is used here? Let's see. 4 divided by y. Here the word divided is used. Next, quotient of 4 and y. The word quotient is used. Quotient of 4 and y is the result of the solution. Means 4 divided by is what product, what result we will get, that is the quotient. So quotient of 4 and y. Next, 4 divided into 4 groups. Here the word divided and groups is used to describe 4 divided by y or 4 by y. If we practice this verbal expression, it is very easy to solve the story problems or the word problem. Okay? Let's see these examples. Question said that write the following using symbols. We have to use the mathematical symbol or arithmetical symbol, that is plus, minus, into and division. So here the first question, a increased by twice b. So a increase means plus and twice means how much? Multiply. So use the symbol a increased means plus twice of b, that means 2 into b. 2 into b, that is 2b. Okay. Come to the next question. 3 times the difference of 30 and c. First find out the difference of 30 and c, that is 30 minus c. And from the beginning what it is telling? 3 times, that means multiplied by how much? 3. So 3 into 30 minus c. 3 times the difference of, which difference? 30 minus c. 30 and c difference and multiplied by 3. Next question. 70 increased by the quotient of x and y. So what is increased? 70 is increased. Quotient of x and y, that means x, quotient of x and y you can write like this, x by y or x divided by y. So how much increased? 70 increased. That means plus how much? 70. Okay. So quotient of x and y increased by 70. So these are some of the examples of verbal expressions. I hope you understand this concept.